then the street.
The street.
But that one too is not hygienic because the
You
food,
see the
when it
neem
gets
oil,
old,
and she's kneading it.
It drops into the.
so we don't advance.
So the cheesecloth will be better.
And this is the neem,
Yeah,
right?
this is the neem. So this is the oil. This is the oil so far.
And this is the oil from the neem, you all. Yeah. And this is the neem too.
Yeah, this is oil.
And that was the
This is the baobab.
Baobab. I can't ever pronounce the name.
Baobab.
Baobab. Huh. Baobab. Baobab.
And do you know how the tree look like?
We saw the tree. You showed the tree to us.
I was showing you one on the way over there.
Yeah, it looks different from the neem tree.
Yes.
Oh yeah, very very different from the tree. It's a very huge and then.
And that's the one that Kwashi was saying if you chop it and it's a whole
Yes,
big hole.
that's a very big. It dies. It creates a very big hole.
Right.
If it falls into it,
That's it.
no one is safe.
It's like
make soup.
it make a what?
No, the leaf. And they use it for.
Soup.
They use it to prepare soup.
Oh, soup.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. The neem or the baba?
The baobab. The baobab leaf, the fresh one. They use to prepare.
Okay.
It's just like it's not like okra.
Okra. Oh yeah, I like okra.
It's not only
Nice.
all the northern sector.
Okay.
Even Nigerians.
Everybody eats it. Everybody eats. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I bet people, oh, we all eat.
With either
Anybody.
fresh or dry.
Uh-huh. Fresh or dry?
It's the season, when it's the season, I buy them plenty, dry them myself, then I'll pound them into powder,
Hey.
and then store. And I use them
Yes,
throughout
ma'am.
the year until the season comes.
Okay, right on, right on. Beautiful. And this is what they doing, you all. Making neem and how you say it? Baobab oil.
Baobab oil.
Oh, baobab oil and neem oil. Okay. And it's those two are very important oils that you can use for medicinal, to heal yourself with, and also you can use to cook with, right? Yeah, you make your food.
Yes.
Yes. Awesome.
It's soup. Very soup.
You don't use the neem to cook.
No, you don't use the neem oil to cook with? So what do you use it?
You use it for skin products, hair products, cosmetics. And then
Can you take it internally for like medicine?
Yes.
That one.
And then as pesticides too.
For pesticide? Oh, can use it for farming.
When my stomach is paining me,
Uh-huh.
I'll go and make it, pound it, and drink it.
Okay. And it get rid of worms and stuff like that. Right on. Beautiful. That's why I love Africa. I love it here. I love my people. Yes.
For the skin, anti-aging.
Okay. And that's the reason why our skin is beautiful. It helps us maintain the elasticity, the stretchiness. It don't stretch all out of place. It stays in its place. Whereas to other folks, they got a wrinkle all. Hey, but we blessed people. We black folk, African, we are blessed. Absolutely.
These are the seeds.
Yeah, I love it. I love being here. Excuse me. I'm going to go around this other way here.
So they should check the trees here, the kind of seeds that.
This is beautiful, you guys. This is Africa for you. This is home. The land of our ancestors. Straight up. You know, everything is here. This is the heartbeat of the planet Earth. Everything that you need. When you're sick, Africa got everything for you. Every remedy in the world to whatever problems you may have. All the answers are right here. Home. Africa. Yes, now look at these here beautiful black women. Look what they're doing. You see? Now this is the true pharmacy right here. Healing. And Teamwork, unity, working together, you all. I love it. And they're getting the oil. Now this is the neem oil right here that you all are extracting. The neem. Look how they're doing it. And it's all handmade. Handmade neem oil. And now this is powerful knowledge right here. This is true knowledge right here. Beautiful. This is some very important oil, you guys. Right on. Yeah, you see what she's doing? She's putting it on her and still, she's not letting it go to waste. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. And it makes the skin so beautiful. Look how the skin is glistering. Lovely look. Beautiful. Awesome. Yes. I'll tell you, God is good. Yep. These are the people of God, the Almighty Creator of the heavens and the earth and the universe and all that is within and the fullness thereof. Absolutely. Because they have that knowledge of healing. And they know how to go to the tree and extract the oil, the healing properties from the tree and use it. And us, we have to depend on the Western world. We have to depend on poison medicine that they make at the pharmacy in the laboratory. But look at here. They make it right here, right from the tree itself. Neem oil. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Look at there.
Squeezing it.
Hey, look at my grandson. Hey, little one. Hi. He's on his mommy's back. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah?
Good afternoon.
You're done now. Praise the Lord. Okay, tomorrow you will interpret for me. Tomorrow we'll be doing organic farming training here.
We have organic farming. Like a wow, dagbele, or my fertilizer, ticket,
And then this very technology that we are coming to do is what we are all going to export. This is not for food for here alone. We are selling it outside.
And we have here, ya have blade, the bay over the fee. Ya ne you dagbla, no poor, ya for you vote. Ya miasemia zalati.
We are bringing a special contract different from the project we are doing.
You can call one abu, crabona, call you
you guys will do those ones.
Miawa may you doyagoma, miawe one and name Edoma.
I'll bring you the seed, everything that comes with it, including the machines.
Edo one will be a cocovet, and Yame you dog gomea, a chocolate bear. Give me a phone call and Yagua, Yahweh, and then all this we are going to provide you the market. You know what I'm talking about. Market everything. So you only just produce, we sell it for you. For this one that we have done, she's going to give me all the machines. We'll buy it. We'll look for a small place. We'll start the processing there. And she'll be the same person who'll be selling all those things for you guys again. eja jira kwete obetia ame o le wa.
So